Court. My name is Sarah Steverson, and this is my co-counsel Emily Howard and Nick Austin Wakefield. We represent Officer John Diamond in the case of Commonwealth versus Diamond. A grab for the gun led to a fatal mistake. 33-year-old Diamond started dating waitress Doyle in late September of 2008. This evidence will show that 2 months before her tragic death, Mr. Diamond met the love of his life, Trudy Doyle. They moved in together 1 month after dating, about a month leading up to her death. Mr. Diamond will testify that he loved Ms. Doyle and that she loved him too. On December 1st, 2008, Officer John Diamond went to meet up with Doyle at her workplace after resigning from his office. He asked her if she would like to go to California with him. Young Ms. Doyle shook her head no, right before she reached for the loaded gun in Mr. Diamond's waistband. She releases the safety and spontaneously cocks the gun. Diamond, who's a trained professional with guns and knows hand-to-hand combat, attempts to take the weapon away from his girlfriend before she hurts herself or anyone else around him. The evidence will show that Trudy Doyle had a history of self-harm, suicidal thoughts, and attempted suicides. Mr. Diamond will testify that Ms. Doyle attempted suicide 2 weeks up to her death, and that he saved her life. Doyle would take her boyfriend's gun and tease him with it, therefore Diamond rarely kept it loaded. The evidence will show that John Diamond asked Trudy to move to California with him because of her suicidal attempts. The reason Diamond proposed the idea to her was because he wanted to start a new life with the love of his life. But Trudy did not want to leave everything behind. The evidence will show that she did not cope well with change. You will hear from one of Mr. Diamond's friends and colleagues, Officer John Madden. Officer Madden will give more insight on the lovers' private life and affection they had for each other. The witnesses will explain how much Diamond cared for his girlfriend. The evidence will show that her death was a mistake and that should have never happened. You will also hear from one of Ms. Doyle's co-workers, who is another witness at the truck stop, Estelle Mason. Ms. Mason was there when the tragedy struck. She saw the encounter between the lovebirds. She saw the act of John Diamond stopping Trudy from her distraught manner. The evidence will show that Mr. Diamond loved Ms. Doyle, and this was an appalling accident. This was not malicious, willful, deliberate, and premeditated action. Additionally, the evidence will show that there was no negligence. Mr. Diamond will testify that he was carrying his gun in an uncocked position hammered down. We ask the jury to find Mr. Diamond not guilty.
Thank you, counsel. So, Commonwealth ready to present?
Your Honor, I ask that Dr. James Pierce be called to the witness stand.
Okay. Dr. Pierce. So if you could stop right there for now, and then we're gonna swear you in. So then you'll raise your right hand, if you don't mind. And then do you solemnly swear to or affirm that the evidence you're gonna give this case and before the court, it shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay. So witness stands right